Watch the 5. Come on, get him. Respawn. Come on, you got this. Come on, get him. Get him. You got this. Come on, we got this. Come on. We got it. I know we do. Come on. We got
this. Bunch of crazy, like...
John, what are you doing in my room? Get out.
Well, I mean, it's kind of important.
No, why are you shirtless?
Well, because, it was hot upstairs, so I took it off. But anyway, a bunch of, like, crazy, like, stuffed animal guys are outside looking for you.
Stuffed animal guy? What are you on?
What I'm on is, like, not really that important. Like, what's important is, like, you gotta go outside because, like, they were like, if Nick doesn't come out here, then we're gonna destroy the world and stuff like that. So you should probably go outside or something. Okay?
Okay, John. Oh my God. Whatever you say, I'll come look at your stuffed animal aliens.
But you gotta put on a shirt at least. Okay, I'll put one of yours.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Down here, moron. That was no god who killed him.
It was me.
What? You're a stuffed animal.
You think your friend was making all of this up?
I mean, I don't really know. He's pretty high, like, all the time.
Well, this time he was telling the truth. Listen to me. We come from the secret planet Zoglyph. We need your help.
My help? Why do you need my help?
Just shut up and listen to the story.
Okay, jeez.
Molga, a monster who lives on our planet, he is awakened. He's been asleep for thousands of years, but something ticked him off. We need your help to stop him. Here,
What?
you'll need this.
What? This is a gun.
This is not just any gun. It's a laser gun from our planet. It'll help you along the way. Well, let's move! I'm sorry.
I really can't do this. I don't know what I was thinking. Coming with you to a different planet? How stupid do I actually look to you? I mean, really, I don't think I would go to a different planet with anyone.
Alright, let's go. Excellent. My rocket is outside. Let's go. Follow me. It is just this way. It should just only be here. Follow. Can you open the door? I do not have opposable thumbs.
Wait, you're telling me you can hover, but you can't open doors?
Yes, that's right.
Literally, it's not that hard. All you have to do is put your hand on the door and twist the handle. That's it.
Just twist the handle. Twist the handle.
That's not the handle.
Why don't you open it then?
Now you got this.
Fine.
Are you being serious? Move. That's a really small rocket.
It's only meant to fit me.
Alright, well, let's go.
You weren't lying.
It's a really tight fit in here. And why is it so dark?
You think I'm gonna waste my money on lights?
Oh god. Calm down.
And stop breathing so heavily!
We have limited oxygen.
Yeah, we do.
Okay. What's that?
That's the engine!
Here we go.
We are outside the Earth's orbit now. The rocket should cut off in a second. Earth is so beautiful. What's that alarm?
We are out of fuel! Prepare for a crash landing!
Hey, are you alright? Wake up! Where are we? Wait. This is Zoglyph. We made it to our planet.
This looks identical to Earth.
It's Zoglyph. It's like Earth, but
It's my planet.
I was born here. I know what this place is.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Well, what are we supposed to do now?
Do you still have that laser gun I gave you?
Yeah, it's right here.
Good. All we need to do now is we just need to find...
What was that?
It's Molga! Quick! Kill him!
You didn't tell me he was a dinosaur.
It doesn't matter, just hurry and shoot him!
Okay.
Hurry up!